being measurement of these types of motion. There are 9 different types of motion. They are linear motion, circular motion, circular motion, rotation motion, oscillatory motion, periodic motion, uniform motion, non-uniform motion, curvilinear motion, random motion. These are the types of motion. Linear motion, object which move a straight line of path is called as a linear motion. For example, a car is moving in a straight road. Circular motion. Object which moving in the circular path is called as a circular motion. A car is moving in a circular path is called as a circular motion. Flat objects.
Be loudly.
Object which rotates itself with its central form is called as a rotation. For example, a fan, a spinning wheel, spinning ball. Oscillator motion, object which rotates up and down, front, side, with respect to center.
To and fro.
Its central point is called as a oscillating motion. In periodic motion, which object which makes itself daily revolution in its daily interval term is called as a periodic motion. For example, Earth rotates around the sun. Uniform motion, object will cover equal distance in equal intervals of a time is called as the uniform motion. For example, a car is traveling constant speed in a straight road. A train is traveling constant speed in a straight track. Non-uniform motion, object which cover unequal distance in equal intervals of time is called as a non-uniform motion. For example, a car is driving on constant speed. Curvilinear motion, object which travel in a curved path is called as a curvilinear motion. A car is taking a turn on a road. Random motion, object which knows a specific pattern and this location is known as the random motion. For example, birds are flying, walking. Thank you.